Alright, what is up guys? It is Timeless Kicks, back with another video, and back with another personal pair. When these sneakers first released, I didn't really know how I felt about them, but the more that I saw people unboxing them, I kind of fell in love with them. As usual, I took a big L on these on the SNKRS app when these released on April 12th for a retail price of $120. I wasn't able to get these on raffles or the SNKRS app, so I went on eBay, I threw an offer out, and I actually got them. And I threw an offer out for about $180, which the total came out to about $200, which to be honest with you, I can't even complain about. So let's unbox the Nike SB Dunk Polaroids. Okay guys, so here you have the box, and it's just your classic Nike SB rainbow box. As you can see on the sides, it says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike. I got these in my size, obviously size 8. So let's just open these up. So here's just the eBay tag, and here is the Dunk. So let's just talk about it and the details of this sneaker. So it is a nice black and white colorway, with the toe box kind of being like a nubuck material. I believe it's actually called Durabuck, which is a Nike material. It's a little bit stiffer than I expected, but I think it is because it's not necessarily a nubuck suede. It is that Durabuck. On the toe box as well, you have the nice Polaroid stitching as well right there in all the colors. Taking a look at the mid panel, you obviously have those 3 Nike swooshes. You have a red, a yellow, and a blue, and because the yellow is in that translucent plastic, it also appears that there is an orange swoosh and a green swoosh as well, which is pretty sick. So moving on to the heel tab, you have that Polaroid logo as well, resembling a Polaroid photo, and obviously you switch to white in the back, again to resemble the border of a Polaroid photo. On the heel on this one it says Polaroid, on the other one it says Nike, and if you flip it over to the sole, it is a white sole. You have black in the middle, and then you have a red detailing right here to resemble the record button. The sole of it also comes in that multicolor Polaroid branding, and then the tongue just says Nike SB in white. So quite honestly, I really like these. Again, they're a personal pair. I am pretty big into photography, videography, and stuff like that. I just love, you know, taking videos and doing photography, just kind of as a side passion. So I thought these were really awesome to get as a personal pair. Yeah, there's not a whole lot to say about them. Market right now for these is nothing crazy. So if you are considering getting these, I definitely would do so. I don't know how these are going to perform in the future. All I know is that right now I was able to get these at a price of $200, and I'm very excited about it. Now the one big thing that comes with this sneaker is that you have a total of 7 lace options. Now I don't know what exactly happened with this side, but it looks like the authenticators, maybe from eBay, just happened to unlace these. But yeah, as you can tell, you have the white, the green, and the blue, and you also have a red, an orange, and a yellow lace option. And it also comes pre-laced with black, which I think I will keep the black, but definitely will be trying out different colors, seeing what I like the best. So overall, I think it's a pretty solid sneaker, and I believe that this is Polaroid's first collab with Nike, and I think that they were able to implement their branding and just who Polaroid is very, very well into this sneaker. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the Nike SB Dunk Polaroids, and as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.